everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're here for another fabulous Wednesday craft video in the mucky, icky rain, but hey, I'm glad we're finally getting a little bit cooler weather, especially as it gets closer to Halloween. We have a lot of stuff that we're going to be doing outside. It doesn't need to be 97 degrees. It doesn't need to be that. I mean, it's still in the like 70s somewhere around about, and it's getting in the 40s at night, which isn't that bad, so you know, we'll take the good and the bad. As long as this doesn't get back up to 97 degrees again, we're good, especially when we're in full costume at the Renaissance Fair in about a week or two. So yeah, doesn't need to have that happen. But there's enough of that rambling. The whole point of y'all being here for this video is we are going to be making this lovely, cute, and simple and very quick Halloween centerpiece. I could have done better on the bow, but I can finagle with that later. Me and bows just do not get along. I used to let my grandmother do them because she's a lot better at bows than I am. So, but now I have to she has passed on, so I have to kind of figure out how to finagle them myself. But it's okay. It's okay for what I want it for. It's just gonna be a nice little piece in my living room, so along with everything else, plus the little eyeballs just peeking out and watching in there. But before we get into making that, if you're new to the channel, this is your first ever video, consider hitting that subscribe button for me so you can be here for all of our random content. And if you're my current subscribers, this is going to be a quick and easy video. Just pretty much you just buy the stuff and you put it together. Now, I bought everything from the Dollar Tree, so this was very inexpensive. I think the flowers were, I think I only got a bushel each because I already had the orange ones, so just there's $1 for that. And then the other, like the orange ones, were $1, so we're already up to $2. The vase was $1. The little bottles on the inside was $1, and then the ribbon was the most expensive thing, but I did get that from Walmart, and you do get a bunch of that. So I think it ended up being like $3 for that. But if you don't want to include that in the price, it's only cost me about $4 if you already have the ribbon on hand. If not, it's gonna cost you probably about $6 or $7 just to add the ribbon and stuff to that too. So, but we'll go ahead and cut to the video, and I'll meet y'all back at the end. Alright everyone, so we're here for our Wednesday craft video yet again, and I hope you are ready. We're going to be doing something quick and simple. We're going to be making a simple floral arrangement. So you're going to need whatever Halloween flowers that you want to use for this. Me, I'm using the ones I got from Dollar Tree with the eyeballs. You're also going to need a little vase. I chose this round one just because I like the way it looks. You're also going to need those sparkly baubles. Now, all of these items did come from Dollar Tree except for the ribbon. I did get that from Walmart, so you can use whatever kind of ribbon you want. You're also going to need some form of elastic, just because I find it easier to be able to tie the ribbon onto the jar that way, but you don't have to do that. That's completely optional. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. So first, just go ahead and let's put the ribbon onto our container. Okay, and then once you have your ribbon the way you want, just go ahead and fill the inside of your jar with those little glitter baubles, or you know, the little glitter foam balls. Now if you want to, you could, if you had a bigger container, you could put another little vase down in the middle so you could put your flowers in there, but since this is so small, it's going to be easy to just put the flowers in there and just kind of move them and work them around. So just go ahead and fill that up, and then just place your flowers on the inside. Now for me, I did these individually just because that was the easiest way to move everything around. You don't have to do it like that. Like I said, if you choose to have like another foam piece to use on the inside, then you can do it that way. But for me, and since this is so small that we're working with, and it's just a really quick way to make a centerpiece for your Halloween party, then you can just do it this way. But once you get the flowers placed the way you want to, you are done and it's ready for your table. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoy that. Like I said, it's very simple, it's very quick. Just go ahead and you can fill this up and then put your flowers in there, and that kind of acts like the foam, styrofoam that you would normally use whenever you're making a floral arrangement. But and if you have a bigger vase, then obviously you want to use the big vase and then put a little vase down on the inside, and that's where you're going to put your flowers. You can also do that for real flowers, and then you put your decorations around it. But for this, because we're using fake flowers and it's so small, you can just pretty much just shove it in there and arrange it the way you want to, and it stays for the most part. Just, you know, don't wiggle it around too much, but other than that, it pretty much stays. So that's a very quick and simple craft for this Wednesday, and like I said, it's going to make a cute little centerpiece on if you have like a small side table or a coffee table, or if you have like where you have one centerpiece and then you have like candles and stuff. That's really cute. So there's a bunch of different things that you could do with something of this caliber, you know, because it is smaller, so you could put this in a lot of different places and it bring a bit of spookiness and Halloweeniness to your office or wherever you want to display this little piece. So there is our craft video for this Wednesday. I think me talking about it took longer than the actual video. But anyways, I will go ahead and let y'all go, and I hope y'all enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are. If you have already made arrangements, I'd love to see them. So of course you can find me on all my social media accounts. The links are either down below, or you know, there's a little bar on the on my YouTube channel. You can find me there. So I have them everywhere. They're easy. I'm easy to find. I'm pretty much easy to find. But anyways, I will let y'all go. I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.